Let's take a look at this example. This time we are going to solve the quadratic equation, which is height in the proportion. Okay? What I mean by height? Let's take a look. We have to first convert proportion to one equation. How we can do that? Simply use cross multiplication. I have 5 times 2x. I have 5 times 2x is equal x plus 12 times x minus 1. Now perform multiplication. I have 5 times 2 is 10x equals, and I have x times x is equal x squared. X times negative 1 is equal negative x. 12 times x is equal 12x. And I have 12 times negative 1 is equal negative 12. Next, I'm going to bring 10x to right side. And I have 0 equals x squared. Combine like terms. I have negative x plus 12x gives me 11x. Let me do everything step by step. I'm going to have minus 10x because I move 10x from left side, minus 12. I have 0 equals x squared. 11x minus 10x gives me x minus 12. Next, I'm supposed to perform factorization. I can rewrite this equation as x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0 in order to make this looking a little bit easier. And I have parentheses because this is very simple. I have x, and ask yourself what two numbers, which I have to write over here, multiply by each other are going to give me negative 12, and add to each other are going to give me positive 1. These two numbers are positive 4 and negative 3. Positive 4 times negative 3 gives me negative 12. Positive 4 plus negative 3 gives me 1. In order to make left side equal to the right side, the factors of this product supposed to be 0. I mean, this one's supposed to be 0, or this one, or both. That's why I'm going to write x plus 4 is equal 0. And I have to solve this equation for x, or x minus 3 is equal 0. And also I have to solve this equation for x. So I have x equals negative 4. This is my first answer. Or x equals 3. If you want to verify if these answers are correct, you're supposed to use the original equation instead of this one. Why? Because in original equation we have fractions. And you're supposed to keep in mind that we cannot have 0 in the denominator. So that's why I'm going to apply these two values of x to the original equation. So I have 5 over x plus 12 equals x minus 1 over 2x. And I'm going to substitute x by negative 4. So I have 5. In the denominator, I'm going to have negative 4 plus 12 equals negative 4 minus 1 over 2 times negative 4. I have 5 over negative 4 plus 12 is equal 8. Equals negative 4 negative 1, I mean negative 4 minus 1 is equal negative 5. 2 times negative 4 is equal negative 8. Negative and negative will cancel out, and I have 5 over 8 is equal 5 over 8. Please notice that left side of my equation is equal to the right side. That's why we can say that x equals negative 4 is correct answer. Let's take a look at the answer x equals 3. Again, I'm going to copy down the original equation, and I have 5 over x plus 12 equals x minus 1 over 2x. And I have 5 over 3 plus 12 equals 3 minus 1 over 2 times 3. I have 5 over 3 plus 12 is equal 15 equals 3 minus 1 is equal 2, and I have 2 times 3 is equal 6. Now, please notice that we can reduce this fraction and this fraction. So, first one I'm going to reduce by 5, and second one I'm going to reduce by 2. I have 5 divided by 5 is equal 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3 equals 1 over 3. So again, left side of my equation is equal to the right side. That's why x equals 3 is also correct answer. So I can say that x equals negative 4 and x equals 3 are the correct solutions to my problem.